Sales DEF with a total strength of 30. Giving the salute now is platoon number 2 from the 4th MLB Battalion Sokpian, led by Baljiring Momin with a total strength of 30. Giving the salute now is parade contingent number 1 from Nongstoiñ College NCC, led by Mr. Hernes Caroline, and the flag bearer is Miss Cheryl V. Sun. Approaching, led by Miss Shimti Kalmani, St. Peter's High Secondary School, Pendangrai NCC. With Mr. Rakepot Rintakian as their commander, Mr. Pritap Shatran L. Petlan as their flag bearer, and a total strength of 30. This salute here is from JNV Girls Nongstoiñ, parade contingent number 8 with a total strength of 30, led by Miss Safika Wanian and the flag bearer, Miss Balikindi.
Following closely is the contingent number 8, Sipsing Memorial Government Higher Secondary School, Nongstoiñ Girls. Parade commander is Ms. Hapila CM, and flag bearer is Ms. Iban Taylor. Taking the salute now is a parade contingent from Sipsing Memorial Government Higher Secondary School, Nongstoiñ. The parade commander is Mr. Tadongkor Lingdong Maunay, and flag bearer is Mr. Koborlang Dakar. Following closely is the parade contingent number 11 from Nongstoiñ College Higher is a contingent from Nongstoiñ College Higher Secondary School, Higher Secondary Section Girls, led by Ms. Vicky Mavis Trenium, and flag bearer is Ms. Dalarisha Wanyan. Following closely is the parade contingent number 13 is Mr. Donelson Lingo. Following the contingent from Anderson Higher Secondary School, Nongstoiñ Girls, is the contingent from St. Peter's Higher Secondary School, Pendangrai, led by Mr. Luke Berdun Thaba. Flag bearer is Mr. Edison CM. Arriving at the saluting dais is the parade contingent number 17 from Sacred Heart RCLP School, New Nongstoiñ. The platoon commander is Mr. Koborlang L. Mashigan. Arriving at the saluting dais to take the salute now is the contingent from KGP Sinod Higher Secondary School Boys, led by Mr. Batshaklang Marwen. Following closely is the contingent number 20 from KGP Sinod Higher Secondary School Girls, led by Miss Wansaka Kudru. The flag bearer is Miss Imai Jinkamen Uwen. Is the parade contingent number 23 from St. Francis DSCC Higher Secondary School, Sydney. The platoon commander is Miss Nabi Sabet Wanyang. The flag bearer is Miss Lisa Tempul.
thank our chief guest for receiving the salute from the 25 parade contingents here at WKH's New Nongstoiñ. The march past is being judged by Inspector Banshai Marbla and Hawaldar Ponderwell Marna.